we decided on the color also.
A puff, veg, storage. That's an important thing. What to do with the
Just here. Is it making it more dirty or cleaning it?
own house? You can't compromise because door.
This.
Second is this. Charlie. So I'm just gonna make some tea for myself and I'll be making coffee for baby. She's asleep at the moment, but then I thought I'll make coffee for her and keep it ready for the moment she wakes up. She can then directly have. And for breakfast, I don't know what's gonna be there. I'll have to just check the fridge and everything. I wanted to have bread butter, bread salami, but then पता नहीं है कि नहीं कुछ भी. Bread is there and butter, so maybe I'll have that only. देखते I'll make coffee and tea. And still in my mind, a lot of things are going on with regards to the house, what to do and where to put what. Storage, we need lofts, we need storage. That's an important thing. What to do with the storage room, how to make the storage room, where to put in the shelves. A lot of things to do, and and we want to do it at the earliest. Our target is at least by February to move into the new place. That's the target that we set in, and our thinking is such: get all the work done in that house and then only shift in. It should not happen the moment we shift in. Arey, we didn't do this. Let's get it done. I want to do everything and then move in. So I've told baby that we doing everything. So the drilling work, whatever your electrical, whatever you want to do, has to happen before we shift in or move in there. So let's see. And everything is expensive here nowadays. Nothing is coming in. Even reasonable is not the right word to say anymore. I mean, grills also that we put in quite expensive, and modular kitchen also that we are putting in. Expensive is only the best word to use. You can't say reasonable anymore. And of course, the quality that you want, you can't compromise on all these things, especially when it's your own house. If it's rented house, it's understandable. Earlier rented house, you were not bothered with much. You were okay with an decent quality. But now when it comes to your own house, you can't compromise because the vision is such, at least for the next 10 years, nothing should change. Rental house, you don't know how long you're staying in that place, right? If you go to see, you're following us from our inception of vlogs, we've already moved to 2 houses. When I was in Palava, I again shifted to Kopakerne and then back to the same place. So you can understand, how the scenario is. So now, since it's our own home, we need to make sure we have the best of materials so that at least for the next 10 years, we don't touch anything. Lighting, whether we want a false ceiling or not, lot of work. But one thing is for sure, you guys are going to enjoy the vlogs. You guys will be a part of the entire journey. Today we are going to the shop to select the color coordination and everything. So you guys also will be a part of the journey. And of course, it's not that we are going to hide anything or we'll show you the surprise how it's done and everything. No, considering it's a vlog, we need your opinions as well. So in case today I'm uploading the vlog, obviously the decision for the same will be taken considering what you mentioned in the comments. So please do put in your valuable inputs. It changes, it makes a huge difference to us, and especially with regards to the last video wherein we asked you to place the altar on which wall A or wall B, and majority, that is 95% of y'all have gone for wall A, and we have decided to put up our altar or set up our altar on wall A. Wall B, there was a beautiful comment giving us good reasons why it should be on wall B. But the only thing for me is the drying of clothes. and we keep the altar there. You never know, and if you open up the window, rains, that water comes in, and it might. You never know what the scenario is with that wall because it's close to the window, and I didn't want that. So the best place is to put on wall A. That also we have planned something. More than me, it's actually baby who is excited to make the altar. She wants this, she wants that, and of course we'll be having Saint Anthony as well. And with that said, I hope you all have watched that video, and please let me know on the comments as well whether you have liked the videos on Saint Anthony. In case you haven't checked it out, please go and check it out. Saint Anthony is one of the best saints, and his miracles still work. He is just the best. He's just the best. So you go and check it out. I've put up the description of it in, and also I've shown you how the thumbnail looks. So please go check it out. So guys, baby is still asleep. She doesn't want to wake up. So I'm having bread butter, my lemon tea, and I'm watching The Office. Let's go. Baby woke up and the first thing that she did is to make me do some work. No good morning, nothing. हाँ देखा, ऐसा ही करती है, डायरेक्टली काम पे लगाई मेरे को.
इतना काम निकाल के रखता है.
क्या काम निकाल के? ये सब मैंने फोल्ड करके रखा है.
दिखा?
ये
इस्त्री वाले को कॉल करके बोल कपड़े.
He's coming. I already called also. वो बहुत फास्ट है. किधर है राइस?
ये पकड़ चल. पता नहीं इसमें है क्या, नहीं तो वो वाला बैग खोलना पड़ेगा.
है इसमें ही है.
हाँ वही है
क्या?
बैग. इसमें सिर्फ बासमती है.
वही चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए फिर?
नहीं.
Give, I'll pour it and you hold it.
Remove that. I can't.
Why?
अरे वो 10 किलो का बैग
नहीं,
है.
ये इसमें क्या राइस है तो ये क्यों यूज कर रहे
ये
हैं?
बासमती राइस है.
Oh, you want plain?
हाँ. Few more days. क्या? देखा, मैं जो बोलती हूँ तेरे को करना ही नहीं होता. Few more days, then we'll have a proper kitchen.
Few more days में, few more months. किसे बोलो अभी इसको?
एक second. You have to break this. I'll get scissors.
तेरे किसमें आ रहा है?
ये ले.
ओपन करके कौन रखता है ऐसा? मेरे को बोलती है.
मैंने रखा.
Who makes Maggie? You and Hriday only eat. I don't eat.
एक बायो की. Wow.
क्या?
So much brain.
क्या?
अच्छी चीज में you will put that मूंगी वाला.
तूने रखा तो प्रॉब्लम, ये कुछ नहीं होता है.
But अभी
तो प्रॉब्लम.
पता चला ना. बघा ना, चांगला वाला तो त्या ह्याच्यात टाकतोय.
आपने पाता है इधर. आप नहीं, मैं
Big auntie is also on my side.
नहीं, पूजा करे तो चमत्कार, मैं करे तो बलात्कार.
हाँ. डब्यात ठेवायचं ना.
मुझे तो काटने को भी नहीं आता है.
I can't see. You do it please.
हाँ, ये ना, I can't see, I can't do, ये.
I hope you know vlog चालू है.
ओहो, तो देखने में ना पूरा दुनिया को.
हाँ, we are talking.
Everybody say, oh पूजा nice, ये लक्की, ये वो है ना. नहीं, इसे असलियत.
You don't have to cut so much.
Look, I'll do it.
Little only.
Now?
Charlie also on. Wow.
Here she comes. No, what have you made? Let me see. ये इतना टेस्टी क्यों लग रहा है?
खाइए
नहीं रे रो
खाना
नहीं रे, आई एम फुल सीरियसली. You enjoy.
एक बाइट खा.
नहीं नहीं, I don't want.
तूने क्या खाया?
Bread butter toast.
क्या लेते हो?
नहीं रे, नहीं है. पेट भर गया वो खा के. What
We
plans?
have to go now.
I was telling them that to
Actually,
select.
that day we went, we decided on the color also. But then later on हमें घर पे आके लगा पता नहीं it will look good or not look good. So now we'll go again and we'll check that color palette and we'll see what looks good.
Mm.
So it's generally me who's very choosy about all these things. Baby is like जो करना है कर ले. वो
Correct.
बात अलग है कि सब होने के बाद में बोलता है फिर.
अरे ऐसा कुछ
ये
नहीं.
ऐसा करना चाहिए था, वो ऐसा करना चाहिए था.
हाँ, that is because मेरा तो कुछ लेते ही नहीं है ना.
Eh?
और you whatever at the end whatever you decide that is final. तो बात करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. ठीक है, चल you have and we'll go then. Coco, what happened, Coco dear? Oh, you're stretching. So lazy. You're so lazy. Huh? Hey, boo boo. Coco dear. Looks like Brother is back home. Hi there, how are you?
I'm good.
Hey, look at you. Look, hey, wow. You, today what, there was a party or something?
That was Diwali.
Arey, wow, look. Oh, wow, you painted that so well. Oh, nice.
And I accidentally
Gold, green, gold. Wow, wow. Who taught you to do, who told you to do this combination?
Mama.
Mama told you? Oh,
And
wow.
accidentally, and this part I did on my own.
Oh, wow, nice. What accidentally you're saying?
Accidentally, I made a new color.
Accidentally?
Hi, it is actually a green mixed with golden.
Oh, and where have you put that color on?
Over here, I have put a lot of golden so that it will come out.
Oh, nice. So now done, no? With exams. Holidays now?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Good, good, good. Chalo, how was your paper? Hindi paper?
Good, good. Easy,
Good.
it was very easy.
It was very easy. Okay, okay.
I just finished it in 10 minutes.
ए भाई सीरियसली ना तूने पूरा पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर देखा ना बराबर से रीचेक भी किया ना हाँ ओके देन ठीक है चलो डन हंग्री व्हाई व्हाट डिड यू हैव स्वीट्स
I have chakli and noodles.
ओह चकली एंड लड्डू ओह नाइस नाइस गो कीप सोसाइटी में हाउस क्लीनिंग हाउस cleaning of the lobby area has begun today. So now we need to take the shoe rack inside.
Hey, I'm not taking this.
Okay, I'll take it, hold it.
No need to take inside.
Acha, then what they said?
Okay, cover.
They said ask mate kya na? Wait, I'll take it, baby. Hey, it will fall. I'll take it. When I'm saying I'll take it, why are you taking it?
ठीक है ना.
इधर ही तो लग रहा है.
Take. Wait तो. They'll move ना. Don't take it inside. They'll move. चल.
Is it making it more dirty or cleaning it?
काय बघतो तू?
हटा ये सीन.
बैठा है देख.
हाँ उसको देखने का है कि हम लोग क्या काम कर रहे हैं.
Actual my guarding the house.
Festo, what you doing there, boo? प्रेशर में आ गया.
ए गुड्डा. चेस्टा. See ना from where he see. तू बघतो बघू. अरे माझा गुड्डा. माझा हात गंदा आहे हात पण. नाही बाहेर नाही जायचं.
And they cleaned up. Nice. Let it dry for some time, then we'll keep our things.
We'll throw इसमें से.
Hmm.
हम लोग का बड़ा वाला शू रैक टूट गया तो हम लोग ने सब इसमें रखा, नहीं तो पहले इसमें सिर्फ हमारा रेगुलर वेयर वी यूज्ड टू कीप.
करेक्ट.
अभी हो गया, अभी शिफ्टिंग.
So now we are going to the shop to get the paint and everything sorted and design the color of the paint and the design sorted, and are taking the car this time because it's too hot outside.
Very hot, very hot.
Not going to go by Activa. उस दिन गया था दादा's doing a lot of work since morning. झालं का पूर्ण काम?
नाही, अजून 2 फ्लोर बाकी आहेत. खालचा आणि 2 फ्लोर.
चालेल.
अजून एक बिल्डिंग बाकी आहे माझी शेवटची केबिन.
अरे रे.
ती उद्या पूर्ण दिवस.
Lot of work, Diwali preparations everywhere in the house. So doing a lot of work.
They should clean this every month, not only.
During Diwali, no, yeah. In our building in Amboli, in a month at least one time staircase clean होता ही है.
हम लोग के नए वाले घर के इधर भी होता है, रोज हम लोग जाते हैं तभी.
चलो लेट्स गो. चेस्टर को लेके आने का था. गाड़ी में लेके रख सकते थे इसको.
ये पार्सल मेरा ही आया.
पूछ के देख. पेमेंट नहीं है ना?
1100 से आ जाएगा ना.
पेमेंट आएगा बघून घ्या.
नहीं.
ऑस्कर इज हियर. हे ऑस्कर, हाय. हे, हाउ आर यू? हे गुड्डू, हाय.
सो इट्स नॉट सनी राईट नाव. तर आम्ही विचार केला पटकन जायचं तर आपल्या ॲक्टिवानीच जाऊन येऊया.
आई वॉज लाइक हम लोग गाड़ी लेते बिकॉज नॉट यूज इट फॉर 4-5 days, सो एटलीस्ट उसका वो यू नो यू सपोज टू यूज इट एवरी 3 days.
जल्दी जाके आ जाएंगे, इतना धूप नहीं है.
अच्छा एक मोबाइल देखा जाएगा सच्ची का मोबाइल. ये ऐसा नहीं करने का पता चलती है. चल बैठ. लेट्स गो, लेट्स गो.
ते आजा मेरे गाड़ी में बैठ जा.
आजा मेरे गाड़ी में बैठ जा. चल जल्दी बैठ. So we reached the place where we are supposed to do all the work, and now we're going to check it out. So guys, with regards to the safety door, we have already spoken to them, but now we are selecting the colors. So the 3 finalized colors are, this is the first color for the safety door, second is this, and third is this. So you guys let us know for safety door which color looks good. Show me the first option again. Whether you want a perfect beige or you want khaki brown with the linings or khaki brown with the design, please let us know for safety door. What happened, baby? वाह, क्यों इतना ऑप्शन दे रहे हो आप? इतना कंफ्यूज करके रखते हो फिर हम लोग को. बेबी इज चेकिंग व्हाट इज गुड. दीज आर द ऑप्शंस फॉर द हैंडल्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडिंग दैट. कमिंग कका. वेयर आर यू गोइंग नाउ? अकेले अकेले. You tell. क्योंकि बोल ना मेरे को इसमें से. I'm watching The Office while uploading a vlog. Hriday is on his mobile phone. We all are having a very good time chill here. I'm watching the Office and all. But look at this fellow. Hey, what are you doing on top? Huh? Charlie, is that a place to sit? Cartoon.
Chester. So now we are taking Chester for a walk. Chester is here. Hriday is here.
We gave him more than
Stick is
what
here.
he usually has.
So that he can do potty.
Party outside. I've opened the door faster.
We take him every day, but he does not do it.
Yeah. Chalu kiya hai. But he gets excited to go down. Likes to
He
go.
enjoys it.
He enjoys it because he gets to run after those vehicles.
और आने के बाद जो सुस्तड़ जैसे सोता है ना, थैंक यू हृदय.
No, come this side. You go there. He's waiting for you to come. Come, Bobo. Where you want to go? चेस्टर ने आज नीचे पॉटी किया. Looking only good. What's for dinner, baby?
अभी खाते हैं, चल गरम करते
चिकन टिक्का से कुछ मंगाओ क्या इसके साथ, राइस के साथ? कौन सा राइस है? दाल खिचड़ी है ना? तो थोड़ा तो अभी वो थोड़ा सा चाहिए ना सच. एक्चुअली मोमोज तो खाने थे मेरे को. बेबी आज मैं बहुत चला, 1 घंटा चला मैं इसके पॉटी के चक्कर में. कंटिन्यू चलो. For dinner, then baby is not allowing me to have something non-veg, but she was sweet enough to fry for me these pizza puffs, veg, too good. And of course we have dal khichdi, and we have some bhaji, which I am not a fan of, but khayega mein. And you have it with maybe chapati. Salad bhi hai? क्या है? ये क्या है? हाँ वो बनाना. पर भूल ही गया वो. तू खा, मेरा शेयर का तू खा वो. No worries. And we're going to have dinner and then go to sleep. So we'll sign off, baby. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमचं चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.